It is an enormous privilege to be here with you today to be installed as the University of Waterloo's 7th President and Vice Chancellor. This is an institution that was built to serve the needs of the community and to challenge conventions in university education. Being unconventional has meant being curious, taking risks, and being prepared to fail and try again. These values and core strengths are what draw bold and creative thinkers to this institution. They are what drew me to Waterloo. Emerging from the pandemic, we find ourselves at a crossroad, just as our founders experienced in the post-war era. Now is the time to reimagine post-secondary education and research to cement a foundation upon which each segment of our society and economy can build for generations to come. Our alumni and supporters invest in us with time, energy, and resources. They propel us to make a greater impact on our world. I'm honored to join you all to build on our unique strengths and as we take the University of Waterloo into bold, new futures.